Hi, this is Paul again. Welcome back to the channel. And today I want to talk about how I made an English conversation school in Japan. Hopefully this video will be informative and helpful for those of you who want to make such a business in Japan. Now, my background in English conversation or English education in Japan is, first I came over to Japan working at the English conversation schools. Then after that, I worked in junior high school and high school. I did that for about 2 years. And after that, I started working in university. And in between that, I was also doing photography, video, etc. And in one point in my life, I decided that I want to make my own business. And that's when I thought, I'm going to make an English conversation school. I can't remember exactly when I started the school. I believe it was 2005, but it took me about 2 years to prepare. At the time, I was teaching full-time at a university. At that point, I already knew I wanted to venture out and make my own business. So it took me 2 years to prepare. And the preparation basically was market research, the competition, because in Japan, there are many English conversation schools. So I had to basically study the competition. I can develop my own kind of plan for what kind of school I'd like to develop. So if you're going to start any business, one obvious problem that you're going to encounter is location. If your business is going to be online, then that's a different story. However, in my case, I wanted to make a physical school, and so I had to look for a place. I had to find a location. Closer to the station would be better. After researching a lot of the English schools for kids, by the way, many of them were practically, I thought, the same. Textbooks were the same, singing songs, which is not bad. I'm sure children love that. However, I wanted something different. For ithinkplus, I wanted to integrate teaching English to kids in a more meaningful, constructive, and fun way. And more specifically, I wanted to inject technology, computer programming. I wanted the children to have fun learning and not realize that while they're playing or engaging in the activities, they're actually learning something useful. So this was the concept. For any kind of business or any kind of brand, you need a gimmick. And in my case, my gimmick was the use of LEGO robotics. LEGO, I'm pretty sure that many of you know what this is, toys, right? But LEGO had this set. It was a special set. It's called Mindstorms. And these sets were basically robot sets. This combined with English, giving commands in English, teaching the kids how to use numbers in meaningful ways, not just random counting, but using numbers or math to operate these robots. So this was, I thought, very powerful. Oh, goal!
Go back.
Then
turn left 5.9 rotations,
Okay.
then go forward 1.5 rotations, then turn left 1.9 rotations, then go forward 2.9 rotations.
Good job. Oh, goal! But in addition, parents loved it. It took me 2 years to plan out this school. And from the get-go, from the beginning, I knew that I'll be integrating Legos or LEGO Mindstorms into my curriculum. So from day one, that's how I marketed the school. Your kids can learn engineering, programming in an English-speaking environment. Now, another kind of marketing strategy that I had is we had a robotics team which they would compete in the LEGO had something called First LEGO League. And First LEGO League was essentially a robot competition. It started at the kind of like a local level, the nationwide level, and then the world competition. So in our first year, I'm very happy in that our team was able to make it to the world competition, which was in Atlanta, Georgia. In fact, we were featured on local cable news, and here is the footage.
それでは最新の出来事に続いて番組後半は特集コーナーです。今回は先日この番組でもご紹介しましたレゴを使ったロボット競技の全国大会に出場しました三鷹市内の小中学生チームの奮闘を追いました。果たして世界大会への切符をつかむことはできたのでしょうか。それではどうぞ。
お揃いのハッピーや T シャツ、ゲームキャラクターのコスプレをした子どもたち。女の子だけのチームもいれば、地方色を豊かに出したチームもいます。そんな個性豊かな子どもたちが集合したのは日本科学未来館、世界規模のロボット競技ファーストレゴリーグ、その世界大会をかけた国内最終予選の会場です。この競技は子どもたち自身で制作したレゴロボットで、競技台に設置されたさまざまな障害をいかに早く正確にクリアできるかを競うもの。前回大会では世界31カ国6万5千人の子どもたちが参加した世界規模のロボット競技会です。その出場チームの中に関東大会を勝ち抜いてきた地元三鷹の子どもたちが参加しています。チーム名はithink+ロボティクスチーム。子ども向けの英語教室に通う明るく元気な子どもたちです。
One, two, three, ithinkplus!
三鷹市深大寺に昨年1月に開校した子ども向けの英語教室ithink+。そこに大会を間近に控えた子どもたちの熱のこもった練習の声が響いていました。
タイマー誰？達弘？
チームメンバーは5人。帰国子女で最年長の中学1年生、名実ともにキャプテンの千葉慶太郎君と、時折喧嘩しつつも兄と二人三脚、息の合ったコンビネーションを見せる弟の陽志郎君。チームの紅一点ながらサブキャプテンの役割を担う竹内くるみちゃん。そして最年少でチームのムードメーカー的存在、明るく元気な綿貫俊也君と 熊井慎太郎くんの5人です。
Let's come over here. Ready, here we go. Ready, Shintaro.
そして子どもたちに向かってネイティブの英語でアドバイスを与えているのがこの協会の主催者ポール・レルロサリオさん。遊びを通して子どもたちに生きた英語を学んでもらいたい。
So the robotics team, this was very, very different from other English schools focusing on kids. That was quite a good marketing point. So if you're thinking about making your own school, think about the activities both in the course, in the class, as well as outside of class. It has to have impact. If it's not remarkable, no one's going to talk about it. No one's going to share. No one's going to tell their friends about it. This does not apply only just to language schools. I think this can apply to any kind of business venture, and that is your brand. Your brand has to have a good concept, a strong concept, and it has to have something that people are going to talk about. And I'd like to quote one of my favorite marketing people, Seth Godin, and he says about being remarkable. It's not only meaning like cool or nice, so it also means worth making a remark about. Are people going to talk about it? Are they going to share it on social media? Hey, thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful, and see you at the next video. Bye for now.